Welcome to watch DJI FC100, the tutorial of switching between the hoisting system. The FC100 uses a quick-release tripod. In daily operations, it supports quick switching between the double battery and the air hoisting system flagship version. If you need to switch to the aerial lifting system, you need to disconnect the load connection interface, the parachute signal line interface. Unscrew and pull out the parachute signal line interface screw. Pull out the power distribution connector and buckle it to the top crossbar of the lifting system. Remove the corresponding wire to avoid pulling. Loosen the middle frame buckle. Lift the flight platform and place it above the air suspension system tripod. Lock the middle frame buckle. Install and secure the load connection cable in turn. Straighten the wires. Insert the wire into the wire card. Plug in the parachute signal line. Tighten the screw of the parachute signal line. Remove the power distributor connector and snap it on. You need to hear a click. Make sure it is installed properly. Insert two batteries and turn on the device. Upgrade the firmware according to the APP prompts. And check if the APP has any relevant abnormal errors. Thanks for watching.